scars left pain. How could he recognize me? I was not the same. I knew I should pay, and I knew the price for justice and the law demanded my life. Then his tender heart heard my desperate cry, and he looked on my past through merciful eyes. Beautiful, that's how mercy saw me. Though I was broken and so lost, mercy looked past all my faults. The justice of God saw what I had done, but mercy saw me through the sun. Not what I was, but what I could be. That's how mercy saw me. Wherever you roam, you can never go too far. That the arms of forgiveness cannot reach where you are. He loves you too much to ever leave you alone. You are flesh of his flesh, and you're bone of his bone. Hear his heart cry out for your heart today. See yourself through his eyes, and then you'll say, sin has stolen my dignity and stripped away my self-esteem. But I was made brand new again the moment mercy looked at me.